had not
Welcome
been.
to the vlogs.
Oh, thank you. Hello everyone, my name's Lachlan. I'm his best mate.
Whoa. What? Best man.
I mean,
Davo, where are you? Mate, we have the worst lighting.
He's got.
Yo, don't expose things on YouTube, man.
Oh, sorry. We'll just edit that out. Mate, whoever can do that, I respect you. I can't even do this.
Mate, we're trying to sing a song. Don't worry about that, man.
Oh yeah, you are recording.
Yeah, I'm here, mate. I'm always here, mate. It's my channel. I've got to be here, man. I don't have a choice. I'm like locked in, dude. I have to be.
Come on, guys.
Wait, but actually though, where'd the painting go? Crikey, what did you just shoot at me?
Punch someone.
Wait, get that. Oh, why would you punch me? No, what are you doing? Yeah, Minnie, hats on the floor. Minnie, we're in a phone. No, okay, I fixed it. Oh, stop punching me. Oh, they're there. Crikey! Yo, look out, man. Look up. Oh, there's a hole.
Mate, look. Oh,
Look up. Look up.
Oh, oi, come here.
Jeremiah.
Wait, watch out for the hole here, boy. There's a spell in it. Dude, you need to stop that squeak. You need to stop that squeak.
We've got a little while to kill before I have to do the shoey.
Oh, I forgot about that. Oh, so here we go. Chef. What, you got full on plates in it?
Yeah.
That's like China.
Yeah, it is.
That's like expensive, man. Wait, so I can like move in tonight, yeah?
And then we've got knives and forks.
Knives, good. A place like this. Wait, you got full on cutlery.
Hey, you want your hat back?
Sweet. Does the tap work? Oh, snap! Is that drinkable?
Yes.
Well, you said that so uncomfortable.
I get it, I think so.
You got, dude, like, this is actually,
Yes,
you got everything.
Oh,
Struth, mate, almost ran into
I just went to go get Millie's watermelon and mate, I'm blind.
Why, what happened, that bird?
No, I was just sort of going.
Yeah, I know. Look at above. Mate, look at above, mate, look out.
I broke the door handle. Let's not talk about it. There you go.
You're still looking around your own kitchen, you don't know what's in
Frying
here.
pan and another.
And mate, honestly, we could cook tea out here.
No,
son.
legit, like, dude, they got running water and everything.
Oh, mate, we could actually. No.
Like, we could actually cook one of those birds.
We could probably live out here.
Oh, we left a man behind. Hang on. We left you behind, sorry, bro. Where'd he go? I think he's in the garden. Alright, let's see.
You guys even know what this is for? Okay, so this is to help you do splits.
Alright, go, what?
She's an angel.
To help you do splits.
Can raise a little hell, a drive fast, high class.
Oh, TV.
David!
We set this up to be like a family friendly area.
My seat!
The TV. Oh, crikey.
TV?
Yo. Ow! Alright, no, guys, take a seat,
I thought it would be.
Millie, take a seat, watch the TV.
Watching that 99 go, that's a blast from the past. If anyone ever watched that when they were little, shout out to you.
Yeah, you can't give out shout outs, it's not your channel.
Nah, I'm giving a
Maybe you
shout
need
out.
to,
You can't cut it out.
Alright, fine.
Shout out to those who watch 99 go.
Hey?
And I mean the good one, not the bad one.
I didn't know there was two.
We can watch a movie.
The good one, like the early 2000s one, not the bad modern one.
There's a giant well out there. We could go drown ourselves.
Yeah, actually, it's good.
Why you want to get chilly, fella?
I'm not really in the mood. I'm yourself?
Oh man, that's actually what he was strange in there. They heat up.
Oh wait, what are we watching?
It works. Everyone watch.
David, this is actually. You know what this is actually for? Doing splits.
Oh, we're back to the splits.
Everyone
Yep.
I was waiting for someone to go smack.